Finally got my toolbox set up. Husky 52-inch. I like the socket drawer. I like the soft close. Wrenches. This is all the SAE and then metric. And pliers, clamps, screwdrivers, bits and screws. This is just a big drawer for miscellaneous air tools, that sort of stuff, oil change stuff. I'm gonna get all this stuff labeled. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous stuff. But definitely like you can slam them and they soft close. Some Ryobi stuff up there, Bluetooth speaker. And my charging and batteries. I like having that there. I'm gonna put a light. And that's my toolbox.